Now we are back for day's calendar. Sorry, I still have my glasses on, and I know it's going to be a little bit some of reflection, but I hope you forgive me. Let's go with the LH Cosmetics first, day 9. Ooh, I love this puff. I actually have like 2 of these, and I think I'm going to maybe keep this one away and keep this one away. Keep it. Or maybe I should give it away. I don't know. We'll see. But I do enjoy this. This is a really, really, really good product from LH Cosmetics. I'm not disappointed at all. Let's go to the Caia Cosmetics one. And we have 2 products in here. Yesterday, we got 2 products from LH Cosmetics. But Caia Cosmetics, we got a couple of times 2 products in one. And Caia Cosmetics Eye Brightener. Oh, I love this one. I love the eye brightener from Caia Cosmetics. And pencil eyeliner, the black eyeliner and eye brightener. This is 2 good products. I already have both of them, and I also have another different. I think it was last year or year before, the double-sided, or it was maybe in a collection something double-sided with this brightener. There was like this color and another more brown or darker that I also own. So I already have these products. I will definitely give these away, but they're beautiful. So see you tomorrow.